Looking for a satellite radio that fits seamlessly into your car and keeps you entertained wherever you go? The SiriusXM Onyx EZR with Vehicle Kit offers just that, a simple dock and play setup that delivers over 150 channels in your vehicle and more than 300 online or via the app. It's the perfect way to stay connected to music, news, sports, and talk shows without missing a beat. What sets the Onyx EZR apart is its user-friendly design. The high-resolution screen features split-screen mode, letting you see what's playing on other channels while you listen. You can switch between two display options, white text on black or black text on white, for easy reading no matter the lighting. Plus, parental controls let you lock mature content, giving you peace of mind when the whole family is on board. Customization is another highlight. Store up to 10 of your favorite SiriusXM channels or create your own music channel using TuneMix, which blends selected stations into a unique playlist. Whether you're into classic rock, hip-hop, country, or pop, there's something tailored for your taste. Exclusive channels like the Beatles channel, Eminem's Shade 45, and Bruce Springsteen's E Street Radio bring artists right to your dashboard. Installation couldn't be easier. The included PowerConnect Vehicle Kit allows for a quick, DIY setup that connects directly to your existing car stereo. No complicated wiring or professional help needed. One satisfied user praised the strong adhesive mounts and magnetic antenna that hold up even on rough rural routes, proof this system is built to last and move with you. Beyond music, the Onyx EZR keeps you in the loop with live play-by-play sports from the NFL, MLB, NBA, NHL, college games, and NASCAR races. You'll also get access to news and talk shows like Fox News, CNN, and the Today Show Radio. It's a full entertainment package designed to fit your lifestyle, whether you're commuting or on a road trip. When you subscribe to the All Access package, you get 3 months of free service, giving you plenty of time to explore all the channels and features. Activating your radio is straightforward, just provide your radio ID and mention, "Never miss a beat." Keep in mind, there's a $15 activation fee and a credit card is required to start your subscription. If you're ready to upgrade your in-car entertainment, the SiriusXM Onyx EZR with Vehicle Kit is worth a look. It combines convenience, customization, and quality content in a compact package. Whether you want ad-free music, live sports, or the latest news, this radio keeps it all within reach. Try it when you're ready and enjoy your drive like never before.